Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J5, and today I will show you how to enable the developer options. So starting off, we will need to open up the settings app, and from there go all the way down into About Device, and then let's go down to Software Info, and then you'll see build number. Tap on that 7 times and you should get a message that you are now have been turned on, or developer mode has been turned on. It's a little bit different. And then if you go, I think 1 back, you will have now above the device you will see developer options. So you can tap on it and you get the access to all the developer options from here. So you can play around with whatever you like here. Probably for a normal use I would advise on probably using something like animation, basically speed, those 3 here. You can change how quick windows open and close, or just turn off the animation altogether of them. Other than that, haven't really looked much deeper into them. So yeah, that's basically how you turn it on. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.